Hey, this is Mikey, and I'm so excited that you've decided to learn how to do some motion typography. And let me take you through kind of how this course is set up. This is the intro start here video, and let me just kind of show you what's in the course here. So we've got section 1. This is getting started with After Effects. This is for beginners. So if you already understand the basics of After Effects, you could probably skip this one, or you can go through it and you might be able to learn some new tricks. Section 2 is we're going to be starting into what is motion typography, show some great examples, talk about different types of animations. And the way I have this set up is just kind of the natural process that you would go through when you're doing some motion typography. So you learn about it. You're going to be then picking your audio you're working with. You set up the text. Then we're going to be talking about the text tool in After Effects, about shape layers, 3D cameras. Then we're talking about here's a bunch of different motion typography animation techniques, specific ways of doing it. We're talking about secondary animations and movements, textures, creative transitions. And then here in section 12 is, you can see it's a long video. It's almost an hour. And this is, I go through an entire video start to end of a motion typography. So this is kind of really a cool video. And this is where I apply all of the things that I've learned up until this point, all the things that I've taught and learned. I'm going to apply them into this one video here. And then we're going to do some sound design and sound effects after we export it out. And then finally, we've got useful scripts and presets. This is where I'm going to be talking about the free presets that I've given away in this course. I'm going to be talking about some other ones that are pay what you want or name your own price. And then also a couple of paid ones right here, Newton Physics and Element 3D. And then I've got this whole bonus section here, and I'm going to be continually adding videos to this bonus section. Now, these are videos that are available in other places on the internet. These are videos that I feel will add additional skills to help you with your motion typography. They all have to do with text and things like that. This is the bonus videos. Now, right here on this intro start here, when we click into it, there's not going to be a video because I'm actually recording this video right now, but we have where you can download resources, and this is where you can get the whole project file, the whole entire file that I've been using throughout the whole course. You'll see the project file. You can go and download it and follow along. Also, all of the sound effects that I use, some of the textures that I use, and all the presets and templates that I've also included for free with this. So that is the course. I can't wait for you to get started and learn some great new motion typography techniques.